Clear.
Nuys Airport ATC information uniform. 175 Zulu. Wind 210 at 3. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 3,600. Temperature 19. 2.10.
Hello, welcome to another video. Beautiful day in SoCal. The plan today is to go to Santa Paula. We've tried that before, but clouds and mist were in the area. We ended up turning around.
Clearing 16 right in November for clear lead.
400 Quebec Foxtrot Van Nuys, taxi to parking via Bravo.
Parking via Bravo, 0 Quebec Foxtrot.
We tried that before, but clouds and mist were in the area unexpectedly, and we had to turn around. It's a short flight, less than 20 minutes, and the tricky part about getting in there is there's a hillside right next to it. Runway length is 2,700 feet, and as a result, the traffic pattern altitude is only about 800 feet. 700 feet or so above the ground. So it's a tight pattern, and we're going there to have lunch.
And hopefully walk around a little.
And then we'll check out, Main Street of Santa Paula is not far away, so we'll probably walk over there.
Beautiful day for it.
Van Nuys Tower, Cherokee 130, Juliet Mike, 16 right downwind departure request in sequence.
Cherokee 130, Juliet Mike, Van Nuys Tower, Roger, stand by. Says 3 Mike Echo, no delay, ready 16 right, clear for takeoff, right cross approved.
Right cross approved, 16 right, 3 Mike Echo.
And Cherokee 0, Juliet Mike, I can get you out as well, if you're ready to go.
Ready to go, 0 Juliet Mike.
Awesome.
Cherokee 0, Juliet Mike, no delay, ready 16 right, clear for takeoff, and go right down departure at or below 2,500 north the airfield, wind 1305.
130, Julie Mike, clear for departure 16 right downwind, remain at or below 2,500 till north of the airport. 0 Julie Mike. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
And full power.
And Cub 7 Echo Lima, give me a left orbit over
And
Seaside.
engine gauges are all in the green, and the airspeed is live.
Left orbit over Seaside.
455, and we're at 60. Rotate. So just to remind you how we get into Santa Paula, we end up going over the city at 1,500 feet, and then we turn towards the airport, and you'll remember it seems as if we're going right towards the hill, which we are.
Oh, right.
But then we turn into the pattern as we descend down into it.
Yeah, thanks for reminding.
Yep. Runway length is 2,700 feet, so there's plenty of room, but it's a tight pattern.
So I was thinking about what you said in the car about, flying being the place where you feel like you can let go and
my happy spot.
Your happy spot.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about, the pilots that you follow, the Alaska guy and the Texas guy or whatever. I don't know their names.
Yeah.
It feels like, you know, those who are called to fly, like, it feels like it's more than a hobby or a job. It feels like it's sort of, I don't know.
It's a
part of your person or something.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm trying to say.
You know, and to me, it's almost the equivalent of probably people on the water. You know, who just
Yep. The boaters
and just people that, you know, everything about the ocean.
Yeah. The part of who you are.
Yeah. Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Yellow Archer, beam the airport over the city, 1500. We're going to set up for left traffic, runway 22, Santa Paula. I don't see anybody, and I don't hear anybody. Nice, because sometimes this place can be
Busy.
very, busy, and it's tight, and
Yeah.
Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Yellow Archer, turning left crosswind for runway 22, full stop, Santa Paula. Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, turning left downwind, runway 22, full stop, Santa Paula. Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, midfield, left downwind, full stop, runway 22, Santa Paula. Actually going to bend my downwind a little bit. There's no reason to rush this. Nobody in the area, and it's a little tricky, so. Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, Yellow Archer, turning left base, runway 22, Santa Paula, full stop. Second notch of flaps, putting it down. And Santa Paula traffic, Yellow Archer, base to final, runway 22, full stop, Santa Paula. And the wind is coming right down the runway, which is great. We're at 70 knots, which is great. And we got the runway. Santa Paula traffic, Cherokee 130 Mike, clear the active taxi to transit parking, Santa Paula.